In this video, I'll discuss how to solve this expression not true and not false or not true. First, let's take a look at the expression itself. Remember the order of operations whenever you come across such expressions. When you see the word not in an expression, it means you need to invert the value that comes after it. So not true becomes false and not false becomes true. With this in mind, I rewrite the expression as false, untrue or false. Now I apply the order of operations. In this case, the AND operation must be performed before the OR operation. So I evaluate false and true first. The AND operation returns true if both the values are true and false otherwise. Since one of the values is false, the result of false and true is false. Next, I evaluate false or false. The OR operation returns true if at least one of the values is true and false otherwise. Since both the values are false, the result of false or false is false. So the final answer to the expression not true and not false or not true is false. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.